So you wanted to hear about French and German augmented sixth chords. So let's listen to them. And here's the main thing that you're going to listen for. Okay, here's our key. We're in a minor key right now. C minor. There's 1, 4, 1, 6, 4, 5, 5, 7, and 1. And now we're going to have a German sixth chord. Now, what makes this an augmented sixth chord? It sounds actually, it looks like a dominant seventh chord, but it's in the wrong place for a secondary dominant. And so we're going to listen to a couple things. First of all, for a German or a French sixth chord, we're going to listen for that sixth scale degree in the bass. In a minor key, that's just a plain old sixth scale degree. In a major key, it would be a flat sixth. But that sixth scale degree, and then it resolves outward. It doesn't resolve, it's not a 7 because of the way it resolves. It's an augmented 6. So here we are again in C minor, 1, 4, 1, 6, 4, 5, 5, 7, 1. German sixth chord, and we'll hear this outward resolution. 1, 6, 4, 5, and 1. I hope I'm making sense. Let's listen to that again. We're going to hear it with just the notes that I think are most crucial for you to hear first, for you to know that it's an augmented sixth chord. Okay, here's C minor again, establishing the key, and then you're going to hear this. You hear Fi, which resolves to So, and you hear Le, which resolves to So, and 1. And so either of these chords, the French sixth chord, or the German sixth chord, are going to resolve to 5 or one of its embellishments, like a 1, 6, 4. So here we go. 1, 4, 1, 6, 4, 5, 5, 7, 1. And here's a German sixth chord resolving to 1, 6, 4, 5. Again with a French sixth chord, and we're going to hear how it sounds different. Okay, here's 1, 4, 1, 6, 4, 5, 5, 7, 1. Here's a French sixth chord. Now that has Re is in the chord. And therefore it's more likely, I think, I don't know what the theorists say, but I think it's more likely that that's just going to resolve to a plain old 5, because that way Re just stays where it is. 5 and then 1. Or 5, 7, 1. So here we go. 1, 4, 1, 6, 4, 5, 5, 7, 1. And here's our French sixth chord. We could do a 5 with a 4-3 suspension. There's the 3. And back to 1. If we were to go take a French sixth chord to a 1, 6, 4 chord, what would we do? What would it sound like? It would sound like this. It's just establishing the key. Here's our French sixth chord. And you'd hear Re, Mi, Re, Do. So, if you were to follow a French sixth chord with a 1, 6, 4, that's what it would sound like. One more time. Here's the French sixth chord, and here's 1, 6, 4, 5, and 1. Okay, the main thing you're listening to it for, though, is Fi, So, and La, Le, So. You got these two notes, both resolving to the 5th scale degree.